Watch this video till the end, and in 5 minutes you're gonna learn how not to waste over $10,000 setting up your new trucking authority. You're gonna know more than 90% of the truckers and all the costly mistakes they are making. So without further ado, the number one mistake people do when they are setting up their new authority, it's picking a busy location in the middle of a metro area. This is terrible for a trucking business. For one, it's obviously very difficult to park an equipment there, or expensive. But for two, and that's what usually kills most new ventures, is their insurance rate to even get started, to even get their filings done. It's through the roof. I mean, on that alone, your insurance can be from, let's say, $12,000 a year on a box truck, or $15,000 a year on a semi truck in a rural location. Double that, like $24,000 on a box truck, or $30,000 on a semi truck. I mean, that's gonna, right there, is gonna put you out of business before you have even started. Number two, trying to set up a business with an out-of-state driver license. For one, it's super expensive, and for two, you'll probably find out real quick how underwriting is not gonna like this kind of a setup, and they're just gonna put you in cancellation unless you have the proper paperwork to prove that you're not just picking Ohio, for example, or Indiana just because of the rates, and in reality you're in New York. I mean, I see this like time and time again. There is a smart way to do it, in a certain way that you're gonna do it, and you're gonna get canceled, and your MC will get put in cancellation, and that's not very smart thing to do. So the only proper way to do it is do it in your home state, do it in a rural area, have the same driver license as the state. Let's say if you're from Ohio, you need to have Ohio driver license. If you're from Indiana, Indiana driver license, etc. Next thing, make sure your credit is somewhat okay or decent, because bad credit, it's gonna guarantee you not only a higher rate but also a higher down payment, because all the insurance companies, they are financial institutions, and they are looking at your credit, how much to price you at, and what down payment to ask you for. So if you do those three things right, I can promise you, you're gonna be in a very, very, very favorable position to get your MC going. And actually, I'm gonna conclude this video right here. It's been actually only 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and you already know how to save more than $10,000 to set up your MC properly. Talk to you in the next video.